This half-size Pyle 34-inch acoustic guitar kit is thoughtfully scaled for younger players and smaller adults while still feeling like a real instrument, not a toy. Its all-wood linden body with a high-density synthetic fingerboard delivers a surprisingly full, balanced tone that works well for practice lessons and casual performances. The hand-rubbed matte black finish looks refined in person and does a good job of hiding fingerprints and light wear from regular use. Steel strings and die-cast chrome-style tuning machines help the guitar stay in tune reasonably well once the strings have stretched in, which is reassuring for beginners. The bundle includes a padded gig bag, extra strings, a strap, picks, and a cleaning cloth, so a new player can start learning immediately without hunting for accessories. Overall, this compact Pyle acoustic feels like a friendly, forgiving starter guitar that encourages consistent practice and makes early progress more enjoyable.